Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to open up a CSV file in Microsoft Excel, which is a fairly common function in CSV, which is comma separated values. It's a format that's used for storing and transmitting contents that are typically in a list format, such as calendar appointments, data, contacts, that kind of thing. So we're going to go about how to do this without too much of a hassle, and we're going to go jump right into it. So all you have to do is just literally just drag the file right into the Excel window here. So I'm just going to just drag my CSV file on my desktop. I'm just going to drag it right into the Excel window, and it should open up. So again, like I said, pretty straightforward process, guys. You can save it at this point, do whatever you want. So there you go, guys, simple as that. You can see everything that's been put in here. So you can save it, do whatever you want with it, but that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.